Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Stella and today we have another lenses video, which today is going to be once again by MYEYEBB. You'll see some different parts of this unboxing. I separated it in 4, so the box keeps getting more and more empty. Today we have to do the Cocoa series. So we're going to see Cocoa gray, blue, brown, and black. And if you're ready, let's get this started. Before I get into it, you can use my code STELLA20 for 20% off of your order, or Stella for buy 2 and get 2 for free. So yeah, you might think, why would this girl want lenses with his eyes? But these eyes are not mine. They're actually LA Girl Blue from MYEYEBB. You can find me trying it on in another video. But yeah, we're here for the Cocoa series, so let's get this started. So this whole series diameter is 14.5, which means they're pretty big. They have width. And let's get it started from the gray. Let's do the Cocoa gray. This is what the lens looks like and the box. They're all yearly lenses, which means from the time you open them up, you got 12 months until you have to get your new lenses. This looks insanely amazing. It looks like a wild cat. I don't know how to explain this any better. Like, I don't think I've seen something like that in quite some time. Ooh. This is it side to side. Has a very big limbal ring, so it makes your eye so much bigger, like a doll eye. This is both of them in. I'll show you what it looks like in daylight. I saw it in natural light and it looks so good. Not natural, but so good. So I'll move on to Cocoa Blue. That's what this looks like. This looks like a very nice, dark, cool gray, like blue gray. This is actually inside out. Yes, you have to be careful for the curve of the lens to be like this and not like this. Thank me later, sister. That's a side to side. Can I say I don't love it? I can't. Because it's fucking marvelous. It's so... I got no words to describe it, but it's so pretty. That's both of them in. I can say I really like that. It's really interesting. So I'm so looking forward to go to the black one. But I wonder, should I leave the black one for last and go to brown first? I don't know why I tortured myself like that, but I'll do it. So Cocoa Brown. These came in a black box, but the box is actually random. So you get a pink or a black for the time. This is what the lens looks like. And of course, they're all FDA approved. If you are questioning that or wondering, they are. So let's see. Oh, the brown one is nice. Look. Let's put them both in. Let's see it in daylight. Okay, and for this last one, the Cocoa Black. Oh, this is what the lens looks like in its box. Let's take this one off. Oh my god, this limbal ring is actually like pure black. Sorry. That's crazy. Oh wow. Side to side, this definitely gives it a lot more depth. And I don't know, in some world maybe it looks natural. I really like it. I really like this series in general. Ooh. That's both of them in. I'll show you them in natural light and we'll wrap this video up. Let's go outside. So yeah, with this one on, it's magical. I'm not bullshitting you. Yeah, with this one on, I'm gonna wrap this video up. If you wanna use my code, I'll be forever grateful. It's Stella20 for 20% off in your order, or Stella by itself for buy two and get two for free. Happy shopping, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You can watch the other videos of the rest of the colors of my baby. And happy cosplaying, happy shopping, happy enjoying your new eyes. See you in the next one.